Alright, today I'm going to make a short video about the set topics. Right, SES set. Okay, so yeah, because actually it's quite a lot of students ask me about this topic. Actually, I do have one like set video which I already makes like 1 years ago. Alright, so okay, this one is a short one. So I will only focus on few things I think which is important. So of course at the beginning I will do the same thing also. I will introduce the symbol. First you will see something is called universal set. Alright, universal set is very easy. Universal set is something like everything, or you can call it like total, means it include everything about the set. Okay, we call universal set. Alright, and then you will see something is like this. They call empty set. It's just a name. Empty set means there's nothing inside. But sometimes they'll use another symbol for empty set also. They will do like this. It can mean empty set also. Okay, it means there's nothing. Alright, so okay, but normally how do we use the empty set is something like this. If I say A intercept B is empty set, that means in the diagram itself, A and B cannot be intersect. Empty set means there's nothing. A intersect with B, and then the whole thing over here is just universal set, means it's everything. So if let's say I randomly add some number over here, I will get something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I write something a number of universal set, that means total we have how many elements inside the set? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I ask you about number of set A, that means you have to calculate set A have how many number. So it's 2 number, which is 5 and 6. However, if I do what is the number inside the set A, then I will do something like this. So which is 5 and 6. Alright, so it's the same thing. If I ask you number of set B, mean how many number inside the set B, which is 7, and 8, which is 2 number. And what is the number inside the set B, then I will do something like this, which is 7 and 8. Alright, okay, this is a difference between the n. N means you have how many elements inside of it. If you see the symbol look like this, the question is trying to ask what is the element inside of it. This is slightly different, so you must understand the concept of it. Alright, so okay, let me erase something. Let me move on a little bit further. Okay, then I will actually introduce about intersect. If I say A intersect B, basically if I have two sets A and B, both of them will actually intersect here. Okay, this is what do I mean by A intersect B. So if I say A union B, if you have A and B here, let's say this A, this is B, this is A, this is B. If union basically means everything of A and B. Okay, this is the difference between intersect and union. Alright, so I give you some example. So let's say if I say A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And B is basically maybe just a random one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, if over here I ask you what is A intersect with B, that means when I say intersect, you must find out something both of them also have one, because this is how both of them intersect, isn't it? So I will find out something both of them also have. Both of them have 2, both of them have 4, both of them have 6. So it will be 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so, oops, wrong color. Never mind, erase here first. Oops. So it's 2, 4, and 6. Control Z. Okay, so let me just erase it nicely. Yeah, it's so hard to use this app. Okay, so it's basically 2, 4, and 6. So if I ask you about number of A intercept B, then you just need to calculate how many number you have inside, which is 1, 2, 3. So it will be 3. Alright, so if I change the question a little bit, not to say, okay, the question is still the same. A is the whole thing and B is the whole thing, like this. So if I say what is A union B? A union B is everything of A and B, but then when we write it out, we will never repeating it. So definitely 1 to 7 all also have. So 1, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this is what I have, everything of A and everything of B. 2 I have already, 4 I have already, 6 I have already, 8 I don't have. I have to fill in the 8 and fill in the 10. Okay, this is what happens is union, and this is what happens for intercept. Alright, so if I ask about number of A union B, you just calculate how many number you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 number. Okay, this is a difference between intercept and union. I hope you understand. Okay, because they are very important. They are very important in this topic. So okay, so if you understand, let me erase it and move on to something else, because I just want to do a quick go through about whole chapter, because yeah, I just really want students all understand about this topic. Okay, then we will introduce about complement. So you see something is called complement. Okay, complement is actually, you will see a dot there, something dot. Okay, the dot here mean complement. Okay, complement actually mean, if A complement, do you see A complement here? A complement. Actually, A complement mean outside of A. Or you can say is something not A. So I will do a quick example. I have a universal set here, means everything, a universal set. If this is A, okay, I want to do the A complement. I will use purple color for A complement. It means everything outside of A. This is what we call it A complement. So if I say my, okay, if I say, so let me erase this one. If I say my universal set is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and I say my A is all the even number, and then I want to find what is A complement, means what is outside of A. So if A itself is the even number, so I can say my A is 2, 4, 6, and 8. I will not put 10, because over here the universal set actually tell me I only have until 8, so I will not go to 10, 12, and 16 and all that. So I will stop here. This is my A. So not A means everything outside of A. So what is not A? Okay, so that means I have to cancel all the A. A is 2, 4, 6, and 8. So all the thing left there is not A. We have 1, 3, 5, and 7. So it will be 1, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, this is how we do A and not A. So yeah, you will need to understand what is the meaning for complement. Alright, so if you understand about complement, let me move on a little bit further to explain something else. So let's say I would say Okay. How about A union B complement? Or A intercept B complement? Or A union B complement? Or A intercept B complement? Alright, so yeah, actually we have a lot. So I just introduced some of the example here. Yeah, then maybe you can see the difference. Okay, so a quick one. This is A and B. Okay, this is set A and set B. Okay, so what you understand is if A union B basically is everything A and B. And complement, I'm going to use the yellow color. That means if A union B complement, the answer is actually the yellow color only. Alright, so it's over here. You shouldn't touch A and B. Okay, so you just assume the purple color is nothing. So your answer is only the yellow color. Okay, so if this is A intercept B, if A intercept B, this is your part. Complement means not this one. When I say not this one, it means everything except the purple color. So this is what you have if you have A intercept B complement. Means everything except the purple color. Everything except the purple color. How about this one? This one, A union B complement. Both of these one will be slightly complicated. So if I do A and B also, this A and B. So A, B. Okay. A union B complement. This is something, okay, very special. If I say A union, when I say A, I must draw everything of A. And union, okay, union ignore it first. B complement means everything of B. Everything of B, so that means everything. Oh, B complement everything outside of B. Everything outside of B. Mean I cannot touch B. Okay, that means this one, the purple color, is the final answer. Of course, you cannot touch outside here. Cannot touch outside here. It means whatever inside here only. Right, so that means if union, it must include everything of A and everything of outside of B. Okay, everything of A and everything of outside of B. Okay, let me make it clearer a bit. So I just want to make it look nicer. Okay, let me just rewrite it again. Okay, A union B complement. So let me sketch it again. So if I have A, I have B. Okay, this one have A and I have B. So I just want to explain further for what's the difference between both of them. Okay, if A, what you will do is, you will sketch everything of A. You will sketch everything of A. Okay, B complement, I will sketch everything outside of B. B complement means everything outside of B. Doesn't it mean I cannot touch B? So here I will do the same, B complement. I will sketch everything outside of B. Okay, what is the difference between them? If this is union, whenever it have one color or two color, all include, means you only have this part which is empty. You have to shade everything. This one, union means one color or two color. Okay, all included. No matter you see yellow and purple, all is included. Okay, but if this is in the set, that only means two color. Mean you have to find those regions have purple and yellow color only. That means all of the one color one you have to erase it. Means you only have this part. means if I use a white color maybe, means your final answer is only this part. Yeah, it's only the white color one. So I mean you have to erase all the yellow color and purple color. You have to erase it by yourself lah. Alright, so this is your only this is your final answer. When intersect, you have to find those areas have two color. But if union, mean everything you have to shade about everything except those have no color at all. That means you have to shade everything here. Okay, mean cannot touch inside here, definitely. Mean everything except here. This is a difference between union and intersect. Alright, so we go to another example which it might be quite confusing for you. Okay, how about okay, let me just erase the top two. Because yeah, I want to teach a lot of things about the complement. Okay, so oops. Let's say, how about A complement union B complement, and A complement intersect with B complement. Both also have complement. So what you can do? Okay, so first thing is I will sketch out the diagram. Definitely, I will have A and B. This is A, this is B. I will do the same thing for intersect also. This is A, this is B. Okay, then A complement I will use purple color. Mean everything outside of A. Everything outside of A only. So outside of A, so I can shade B because B is outside of A. Okay, so we do the same thing for this diagram also. When I say outside of A, that means everything outside of A. Okay, then B complement I will use yellow color to shade everything outside of B. That means I can touch A as long as it's outside of B or not B. Alright, this is B complement. We'll do the same thing over here for B complement. Okay, now the only difference between union and intersect is union you can get one or two color, or is include. So one or two color, that means it's everything except the middle part only. That means it's everything. So whatever I shaded here is the answer. However, if this is intersect, that means only two colors. Only two color. That means though is one color, one is not included. So if I want to shade it myself, it's just everything outside of the circle, because I want only have two color. The one color is not. So whatever I shade in the white color one is the answer. That means those inside the circle is not the answer. Of course, I not shade until very perfect. I just want to make sure you understand. So this is A complement intersect B complement. This one, the whole thing is A complement union B complement. Alright. However, of course, in the exam you might have more than one set, but then the concept is always the same. Alright, so yes, this is something like you have to understand this one very well. Okay, I just realized I forgot something quite important, which is subset. Okay, so let me introduce about subset. You see a symbol like this. This one is called subset. And then you will see a symbol like this. This one is called is element of. Okay, subset is very simple. If I say A is a subset of B, that means A is the subset of B. Subset is something like I sub out the set. Alright, subset of B. Okay, of B. So if A is subset of B, obviously the A is a Sub, if you understand the word of sub, is mean like the secondary level. So it's mean, that's mean, if A is subset of B, that's mean if I have two set here, I know my A should be inside of B. Alright, so this is the meaning of A is a subset of B. Alright, so if in a value, let's say, I say B is something like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if A is 1 and 3 only, then I can say A is a subset of B. However, if A is 1, 2, 5. If A is 1, 2, 5, that means 5 is not inside the B, right? So I cannot say A is a subset of B. So I can say A is not the subset of B. Alright. Okay. And how about this one? It's element of. Normally, how do we use it? It's very simple. Do you see? If I say B is 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 4 is the element of B, because 4 is inside the B, isn't it? Okay, in this case, I can say 5 is the element of A, because 5 is inside A. Okay, so yeah, so this is something like this. If I say about 6 I can say is not the element of A, and 6 also not the element of B, because both of them do not have 6. Alright, so yeah, you will need to understand the basic concept. So yeah, let me explain a little bit about subset, because some subset somehow is quite important. Its element of is very simple. So let's say I say A is only 2 and 4, and then I ask you sketch the diagram. So what I will do is, I will do like this. This is B. I know A is the subset of B. This is A. Because whatever you have in A, you have in B. So definitely A is subset of B. So if A is 2 and 4, I will dot 2, I will dot 4. Because A is 2 and 4. And B is dot 1, 2 and 4 I will not repeat. So I will dot 3. So that means you see B itself, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. But then for A, you have 2 and 4. This therefore is fulfill the condition. However, because A is inside the B. A is inside the B. So I can say A intersect B is actually equals to A. Isn't it? If I have both of these, both of them intersect is over here. So A intersect B is equal to the set A. If this is B, this is A. Of course, I can say B in the set A is still equal to the set A. Okay, this is something quite important. Okay, so if in this diagram, the question asks about A complement, means outside of A, you only have this, which is outside of A, which is 1 and 3. Okay, so if asked about number of outside of A, that means you have two number here, which is 2. Right, so I hope you can understand about what's the meaning of subset, and what's the meaning for its element of, and what's the meaning for empty set. Okay, so let me refresh a little bit about empty set, because exams just love to ask about empty set. So if the question say A intersect B is the empty set, remember when you sketch the diagram, A and B shouldn't touch each other because they are empty set. Means that they have nothing between A intersect with B. Right, so okay, so I think the concept itself is only so far until like this. So actually one of my Facebook students actually asked me about the question, so I decided to actually upload that question. So okay, so yeah, but before that, just let me erase all this. Oops, yeah, it cannot let me erase this. I think I have to delete this layer first. Okay, just let me erase all this. Yep, and then I can add a new layer, and then I can import the image. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I just make a quick one. Okay. This is the question actually the student asked me. Yeah. Also, I decided to actually discuss it here. Yep. Okay. Okay, I can write, then it will be good. Okay. Okay, just let me add one more layer because I just do not want to insert on it. Okay, I hope I won't. Let me see, can I erase it? Okay, nice. Okay, so it's given that the universal set, okay, of course the question gives you something like this, from 1 to 15. So if you see something like this, the universal set is 1 to 15, you know it's everything from 1 to 15. So that means I will do the universal set is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, until 14, 15. Mean all the number, you have 15 number here. This is your universal set. Alright, and then the question say about set L is the multiply of 3. So if I do the set L, since it's multiply of 3, so I will write all the multiply of 3, which is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I will not go 18 because the universal set tell me it's only stop at 15. So this is my L. And the question also say, oh, I missed out the K. K is the prime number. So since K is a prime number, I'm going to list out all the prime number here. Prime number is always start from 2. It's never include 1. 2, 3, 4 is not the prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is prime number, 9 is not, 10 is not, 11, 12 is not, 13 yes, 15 is not. Yeah, then 14 and 15 is not. Alright, so this is all the prime number you have. Alright, this is L is multiply of 3, K is a prime number. Alright, and okay, and also given the M. So basically the M is 2, 4, 7, and 8. Okay, I have almost all the information here, and I do not need this, so I'm going to erase it. So the question asks about L union M complement intersect with K. So you have 3 elements here. So just now I said if you have L union K, so let me sketch out the thing. Okay, L and K, L union M. So let me see L and M, do they share anything in common? They do not have 2, 3, 6. Okay, they do not share anything common. So the first thing from here, I know L and M do not intersect. So I will say L and M is something like this. This is L, this is M. Okay, then I see is K share something common with them? Okay, K have 2, this has 2. Okay, K will share something common with L also. Okay, so I know K definitely will touch both of them. Okay, so yeah, this is the things I have here. So if you want me to say what they touch, okay, so let's say K and M, they touch at 2. So let me change color. They have 2 here, because both have 2, and both have 7 also. So they have 7 over here, which is this is where they intersect. And it's a 4 and 8. Okay, no. Okay, so for K and this one, they have 3. They have 3 only. Isn't it? Yeah, they have 3. Anyways, okay, I just trying to make you understand about the diagram. Okay, so we do this one first. Let me use the yellow color. So if A union M means everything of A and everything of M, outside of it, complement, do you see? So we shed everything outside of K and M. Everything outside of K and M, because there's K union M complement. That means everything outside of K and M. Okay, and everything outside of K and M is must intersect with K. Intersect with K, that means the yellow color intersect with K is only this part. Do you find out? It's only this part, because everything outside of L union M, which is the yellow color, intersect with K, which is the green color part, which is what I shade. So that means I know I cannot include 3, 2, and 7. Correct or not? Mean I will take everything of K, but I must exclude 3, 2, and 7. So my final answer, my final answer will be 5, 11, and 13. So therefore 5, 11 and 13, I will pick my answer B. Okay, which have 5, 11 and 13. Right, so of course this one we do with the diagram. So what if we do not have the diagram? So let me just undo, because I do not want to shade it because I want to use it. Okay, so because at the end I still want to teach you like without the diagram. If without the diagram, how can you solve it? Okay, if without the diagram, first thing is you have to understand L union M complement, means everything outside of L and U. And those outside of L and U going to intersect with K. So first thing is I will do about everything outside L and M. What do I have? Means everything is not L and not M. So I will start from 1 to 15. Okay, 1, both of them do not have 1, so I have 1 here. 2 I have already. 2 I have already. 3 I have already. 4 I have. 5 I don't have. 6 I have. 7 I have. 8 I have. 9 I have. 10 I don't have. Okay, 11 I don't have. 12 I have. 13 I don't have. 14 I don't have. 15 I have. Alright, this is everything outside of L and M. Because you see, I only shade the L and M. And then all the L and M here, everything outside of L and M here will intersect with K. Then I will try to find out, do this thing share anything common with K? This is the whatever I have. The K here, both of them have 5. This is what I spot. Okay, both of them have 11. And both of them have 13. So I know they have 5, 11 and 13. Okay, you can still do like this if you understand about the question like this. Alright, so I think this question is quite hard because the student purposely go to my Facebook and see, and she says she tries try many days and she cannot figure out how to do it. So so I hope this video actually can help her and also help all of you who actually watching this video. Anyways, if you have more problem or question about set, please let me know, or you can share with me in my Facebook page. My Facebook page is y equals to mx+c. It's a straight line formula. You just go to Facebook and type it and you can easily find it. If you really like this video, just give me a thumb up. If you find any problem about this video, do let me know also. And if you love my channel, feel free to subscribe my channel. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.